I'm dreaming in dreams bigger.
Only used for God's glory.
Coming in how I want it to be.
That's for you, Lord.
Won't stop till I see what I want to see.
Wow.
There's so much more that I feel.
Hi everyone! Nandito po ako sa Alpine Clubhouse ng Beverly Place dito sa Mexico, Pampanga. So, kanina, katatapos lang po ng ating groundbreaking ng dalawang new homeowners that purchased their first home dito sa Beverly Place, Pampanga. And napakaganda po ng clubhouse dito. I just want to show you around. This is their swimming pool. Ayan, napakalaki. If you love swimming and having leisure and for sports, ayan, we have this massive swimming pool na it looks resort type. Ayan. So, katatapos lang po ng ulan. Kaya medyo gloomy pa yung pero buhay na buhay naman ang colors dito. Ayan. And meron din po tayong picnic tables dyan. Okay, where you can also do your barbecue. And meron din po tayong basketball court. So, tara, I'll show you the basketball court. Alright. So, meron din mga badminton court doon naman sa kabila. And maganda rin dito is meron po talaga silang napakagandang function hall. Yan. Diba? Ang ganda. So, fully air-conditioned din yan. Diba? For debut parties, birthday parties. Yan. So, kasama rin po yan sa amenities na pwede nyo pong makuha dito sa Beverly Place. Diba ate? Appear po tayo. Ayan. So, let's check out naman ito pang ibang facilities po nila on the other side. Okay. So, merong magandang empty space dito. You can do some dancing here. Zumba, ballroom dancing, whatever is your choice. Ayan, napakaganda. And more picnic area on this other side. Alright. Diba? Exciting tong lugar na to. And of course, meron tayong golf course dito sa Beverly Place, Pampanga. So if you really wanted to buy a home wherein you can also have like a vacation all year round sa isang magandang lugar, very peaceful, quiet, very convenient. It's just 5 minutes to 10 minutes away from SM and Robinson's Place. Ayan, napakalapit lang po dito. And of course, you have really secured place kasi guarded and exclusive community subdivision. And if you really want to see it and have a look around, just contact me. And I'm looking forward to it. Thank you, everyone.
I'm the one beating my heart's pattern, following the signs. They say I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. I'm the one beating my heart's pattern, following the signs. They say I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer.